I am obsessed with boot. I love just putting on a nice heel boot with some nice skirt and rocking it and going out. So I am obsessed with boots, and I can't wait to take these out. I actually have a purse similar to this color. I think it'll still go, but I can even rock this with a black purse, you know, a gray. I could rock this with my Demelia Paris bag. This is what I would carry it with. I'm going to take a picture showing you that this with my Demelia Paris bag. I'm going to see how that looks, and I think it'll look good with it. And everything doesn't have to match, so I think this would look good. You guys, please tell me what you think in the comment. Let me know if you actually own any coach shoes, and what do you think? Do you like them? Are they comfortable for you? Let me know. Do you own this? What are your thoughts? Like I said, I actually have the black leather, the smooth leather in this same boot, and it's just been super, super comfy, and I love it. So you can let me know what you think about this in the comments. Let me know if you have any of it, if you like it. It also have that emblem right there. I love that. That is absolutely just, I've not seen any of their other boots with that. Even the black smooth leather don't have that. So I kind of really thought this just set it off. I love it. And I'm excited to try it on and take it out. Let me know what you think. Like I said, if you have it, that's great. If not, just let me know. And I appreciate you as always. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Don't forget to hit that notification so you can know when I post. I'm going to be posting, like I said, twice a week. And the likes. I do appreciate it.